Now, Investment, Trade and Industry Cabinet Secretary Rebecca Miano is urging automakers to set up manufacturing and assembling plants at the special economic zones to take advantage of the government incentives tailored for investors. Here is Regina Manyara with the details.
There are 15 gazetted special economic zones in Kenya. Priority has been accorded to establishment of the special economic zones in Dongokundu, Lamu, Naivasha, Athi River and Sagana. Those investing or operating at the special economic zones are expected to benefit from various tax rebates such as exemption from excess duty, customs duty, value-added tax and stamp duty, unfavorable corporate income tax rates and preferential withholding tax rates, especially in relation to profit repatriation. It is such benefits that Investment, Trade and Industry Cabinet Secretary is leveraging on to woo automakers to invest at the special economic zones being set up in the country. Speaking at the Honda manufacturing plant in Japan, Miano urged the automaker to set up an electric motorcycle manufacturing plant in Kenya. Miano is in Japan on a special invitation to attend the G20 meeting in Osaka, as well as meet Japanese investors to invest in Kenya to grow the local manufacturing sector and create job opportunities. Regina Manyara reporting for Prime Edition.